Hello, you're welcome. This is Shedrach on the channel, and this is Legit Cash Business TV. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step on how you can design airtime and data of all network, SME data included, corporate gifting, Airtel, Glo 9 mobile, using what I call universal database bundle products and services. Now we have been able to start up the last tutorials we did on this series. We are looking at how you can build a VTU website from scratch. Okay, so we have been getting feedback so far from different clients about how to do things. Like a student asks, how is he going to design the services? Okay, now this is a follow-up tutorial and this is Legit Cash Business TV. Please like, subscribe and share this video. And subscribing to the channel will give you an update like this. This video is also good if you're a student in our training program. It will also help you to see things clearer on how to do things. And remember, this tutorial is a little bit advanced if you have not followed up our previous series. So I believe you should look at the playlist on the description of this video. You will also see here how to design and customize your VTU website, how to install VTUPortal VTU scripts on your cPanel, and few even introduction of the whole topic which we did about 3 weeks ago. So this is like a series that is coming up on the channel. So please go through the previous series so that you will not be lost in this particular episode. Look at it. If you look at this place, if you go to the videos, you will see this how to build a VTU website for free that makes you. This is the first video. Okay, so once you have watched this video, and I remember without you having what's it called? Without you having the script, the original script, you cannot be able to do anything on these tutorials. So you can get the script by, there will be a link in the description of this video. Okay, you can get the script at a 60% discount. When we started this training, it was around 7,000 naira, but right now it's 15,200. So Instant Mobile and our company, one thing about our company is this: if you don't take things serious, we don't care. Okay, so if you think this price may be the original amount of this script is 38,000, that's just the simple truth. But right now you can get it at 15,200 because this script is working live and direct. It's not like all this script that you see hanging around in the net, whereby if you buy it, it doesn't meet up with whatever you have planned it for. So it's not like that. So what our goal here in this video, I don't want to be very lengthy, is our goal here is very simple. We want to have something like this. That's our goal in our training in this series. So you see services here, you can see airtime here, you can see mobile, you can see Glo, you can see SME. That is our goal in this training. So how do we arrive here? That's the main thing. But then we have to take it step by step. The first thing we have to do is this particular what's it called? What's it called? VTU site we have started designing. We're going to take it down and redeploy an instance product and services database that will enable us to bypass the learning and programming aspect that we teach in our boot camp. Because if you come here, we have a boot camp training where we train and mentor students on how to code from scratch. Okay, so we want to bypass that. And bypassing it is good, and sometimes it's not good because it will make you not understand deeper parts of the technology. And it is good because it will cut your learning journey shorter. Okay, in this boot camp, you can see it here. We teach you everything from scratch, how to code. But here, what we want to achieve is we want to have something like this. That's just a simple truth. So all you have to do is, first of all, you be on your cPanel. Remember, this is a follow-up series. Please go through the video and follow before you watch this so that you will not get confused, okay? So if you're on your cPanel, all you have to do is to go to PHP MyAdmin under database. You go to PHP MyAdmin. That's if you're on your cPanel. Just go to PHP MyAdmin. PHP MyAdmin is a place where you do so many things as a developer or someone that want to become a guru in telecom business or any other thing. Because in this channel, we will be doing so many app developments. Because I keep on telling people we are into this and all that. People think that it's only telecom and all that. So please, Mr. Shedrach can do so many apps for clients, both big and small and all that. Okay, so but we'll be doing it. It's like, okay, they play the show. Let me speak that as it's not like all these people you see it on YouTube, they'll be saying they are like this and like that, but they don't show you anything. So please, I'm not like that. So once you are here on your PHP admin, what I have to do is I will locate the database. Okay, remember this is our site, affordablevt2.com.ng/demo VTU. So this is it. So what I have to do is to locate this. You can see it here on the PHP admin. If you have your own website, you see it here. So you can see demo VTU. So I will just click on this demo VTU. This demo VTU is the database of this site. Are you getting it? affordablevt2.com.ng/demo VTU. So I believe you are getting my directions. So I have to click on that, allow the system to my network seems to be a little bit slow, but I'll wait for it patiently. Okay, it has come. You can see it. So this is demo VTU. This is the database that is currently on this particular thing that you're seeing now. This particular page. Okay. So I'm going to reload it so that you see that it's live. Okay, this particular page. So what I want to do is to override it with existing premium database developed already, hand coded, so you don't need to figure things out yourself. So what I have to do is, you can see it here. For me to be very sure of what I'm doing, of course, is the database. Is the database. Okay, is the database. So so many things you'll be seeing things in a skeletal form other than what you are seeing here. This is the UI of what we are seeing, but here we are seeing it as what's it called, a developer. So now pay attention, very important. Once you are here, make sure you click the database. Okay, just click on the database. Okay, this one is demo, but the one I'm working on is demo VTU. So I'll click on that demo VTU. If your site is anything at all, you click on that your site. This is only applicable when you must have installed, freshly installed VTUPortal Creator. Once you have gotten the script from here, okay, so you will now have it like this. So once you click on this, what you have to do is to go down here. Can you see it here? Here, down. Please don't skip any part of this video. Though I'm a little bit slow, but that's just for you to learn. I'm not fast because this is a tutorial. This is not advertising, please. So just click on check all. Click on this check all. Did I say it? I didn't say you should click individual of these, so please. Just click the database name. You can see it's affordablevt2.com/demo VTU. So once you are here, this particular thing normally is supposed to read 38 tables. So we want to override this table and get a premium already pre-done, what's it called, service and portal for us. So I'll just click to check all. Then remember, you must have installed the V2 script first before you proceed to this action, please. Then what you have to do once you have selected everything is you see this place where it says with selected, click on it, and then on this place, click on drop. Did you see it now? Please, you can download this video and rewatch it again. Click on drop. Once you click on drop, the system will bring out an interface for you. You can see it here. Okay, it says, do you really want to execute the following queries? Okay, so you have to execute it. I'm not teaching you as a tech person, please. I'm teaching you as someone that doesn't even know how to press Facebook. So you should be able to follow my tutorial. So just click yes here. The only way you can learn is download this video on your PC or your phone and rewind it and learn. So once you've removed the database, if you go back to your website, you see this place will be blank. That's to show you that you are in order. So your site will be blank like this. So once you are done with that step, you go back to your PHP admin. Remember, you are on this demo V2. Can you see it? I am clicking you back again. So you can see it, everything is empty. So all you have to do is to click on import. Did you see import? Click on import. So once you click on that import, then you browse the database. Okay. So here you see airtime and database bundle. I will click on it, double click. Then you can see affordable V2 Albion Tech data. So you can see it here. I'll just open it. Then once you open it, I will scroll down and click on go. Just scroll down on this place, click on go. Just click on go. And wait for the database to be uploaded. It's a very light something, so it will not take too much time. So the query has been executed. You wait for here, system will automatically bring out the whole thing. Can you see it? Okay, so once this is done, now what I have to do is if you go back to your website and refresh, I'm using F5, you see that you are still having a blank screen. Okay, so you have to do some configuration here on PHP admin before you can call out the site, which I'm going to show you in a brief. So once you're here, once you have uploaded the database bundle, which I just did, you have to click on that place. Once you click on this, say the same database, you have to go here where you say web configure. Did you see here where it is written web configure? So click on it. Click on this web configure. So once you click on this web configure, all you have to do is to edit all these parameters. Okay, you can see Albion, the web name, you can see it here. So I have to click edit here. Just click on here to edit. Click here to edit. Please don't do the one that I didn't ask you to do, so that you will not end up destroying your site. So here I'm going to put demo VTU because that's the name of my site. So I can easily copy it and hold in my hand and then click go. So then the next one is here, edit. So I will now paste it. I'll click on go. So the next one is the author. Most of all these things, you can do it from the front end, but the reason for doing it here is, for instance, if you are working on a client project, So enable your client not to see some details that are not related to his own app. You will do this from the back end. That way, your client, when the client's website is ready, he or she can easily see that it's identical to his business brand. So here is the meta tag, which we did the other time in the other video. So you just have to change demo VTU here. You get, so because it's like restructuring the whole thing afresh. But this time around, you are not doing it like an expert, isn't it? That's if you have followed my video in the previous series. So, but if you have not, this thing may be sounding like rocket science to you. So here is the support. So here I will just put maybe support at demo, okay, demovtu.com.ng. So please, if this video is giving you value, do well to subscribe to our channel, please. Subscribe and share this video, because as God may have us, give us strength, and if Christ tarries, that's if you're a Christian, we'll keep on giving you values like this. You get it? This value I'm giving you, what's 100,000. So here you are, you're having it as free. But what you do with it determines what's the outcome of it. Okay, so I've changed this. The next one is the address. So I can change the address here. Now, okay, the support email. You change all these things, but then you can do it from the back, from the other end. You can do it when you must have log in as admin. But I prefer doing things here because here is more faster than the front end. Remember, as we are putting all these things, if you go back to the front end and reload the site, it is still not coming up. Because there is one trick you have to do. That's why I don't need to skip this video, because if you skip it, you may end up not doing the trick. So here I will just edit. I will just edit the Facebook. Don't be in a hurry as a programmer or as a student in our boot camp. Don't be in a hurry that I know everything. Even me, being Shedrach, I'm not in a hurry in life. I'm very slow and I get results. So I haven't put all this. The next thing is to go here. Can you see here? You can see there is two dotted line. There is one dotted line. I didn't say you should click two. I say you should click one. Just click on this. The place you say next. Click on it. Remember, I am under web configure. Rewind this video if you are lost in any way. So click on that next. That's arrow that is there. Click on it. Then here, that is very, very important. Just don't do any other thing. You can do some edit here, but the one that is very important is here. Can you see web link? Can you see it? On this place, which is web link, all you have to do is to click here. And then put your web name there. So put your web name there. In this case, if you go to my, you can see affordablevtu.com.ng, isn't it? So I will now click here and put affordablevtu.com.ng slash demo VTU. Do you get it now? Because that's it. Demo VTU, isn't it? So make sure you put it like this. So once you put it, you go down and click on go. So you can see it's now here. Then if you now go back to your front page, you will see that the site does not come again. The reason why it didn't come again is that if you go to this affordable here, it's a premium landing page that we use. We call it premium master theme that we use, not the default one that the application comes. This is why telling all this is because this script, we are the owner of this script. So we know how it works. We know what we wrote on the script. It's not like we are just selling you something that we don't know. So once you see this, once you have finished everything and the site is still blank, don't be shivering or maybe don't be scared. All you have to do is to log in as admin, which I'm going to do now. So I'm going to log in as an admin. So I'm going to log in as an admin to the back end. So, but I'm going to pause this video. I'm going to pause this video and log in, and then we'll continue. So, welcome back. I'm logging in into the admin. You can see it live and direct. What I just did is to put my credentials, and then I am on the back end. Okay, as it's loading, waiting for it to load, it will load the back end. You can see we are seeing the same one page, which is affordablevt2.com.ng/demo VTU. So if you still come here, you see it's still the same. So once you are here on the back end, which you can see here that I have available services is now 9, isn't it? You see it's still the same demo VTU. Then if I go and view the site, you can see it is still blank. You get it? Now don't be shivering, as I said earlier. All you have to do is to follow my step. Why I'm doing this is this. A lady contacted us on WhatsApp. She says that she's, I usually use her as an example, but please, if she's hearing me or see this video on YouTube or any other place, please pardon me, but I'm just telling you that if you can follow step-by-step process, you can achieve anything. Even if you go to universities, your lecturer will tell you what to do and you do it and you succeed. So why won't you succeed? Is it because it's an online, I'm an online mentor, what? Even if you come to our training ground where we do physical training, it's the same process. There's no kind of complicated process on getting things done. So once you are here, let us not deviate from the training. Remember, our goal now is that we have set everything up, but the user has not seen the website. It's showing blank. But remember what I said, that the reason why it's showing blank is because it's on a premium team. And for it not to show blank, we need to do something. So go to where we call configuration. Did you see it here? Click on appearance. Remember in our previous video, we have talked on it, how to design the front end. If you look at this video, I usually point to people so that how to design and customize a VTU website. All these things we did it in that video. So that's why it's very good not to jump class. Don't jump point A and go to point B. You will not be able to like it. So once you're here, the first thing you have to do is to go to themes. Okay. So we are here on themes, isn't it? Then click this default theme. Just click here, apply. Okay. Once you click here, apply, okay. Then go back, your site will come up. If it didn't come up, then that means it's not Shedrach on the system. So that's it. You can see it up now, as I said. So you can see services, you can see MTSME data, Airtime VTU, all the whole network is available, both corporate gifting. Okay, so what else are we going to do now? The next thing we are going to do now is to do basic configuration, which I don't want to cover again. I don't want to go into because we did it in this video. Please go and watch this video. It's very important. The video comes in sequence. So you shouldn't just jump the first one and go to the last one thinking that you will be able to follow the process. So here you can just change the company details. And the reason why we are leaving this website, affordablevtu.com.ng/demo, is that we are going to leave this for doubting Thomas, because people are always doubting, is this impossible? If I pay this amount to work with Shedrach, will he deliver? So we are going to leave this video and this website active so you can log in and see things by yourself. So we are building everything live so that even though you want to pay for our premium training, you know what you are paying is real. It's not that you are paying not to get something, or maybe you are buying from us, you know that this thing is real. So the next thing we want to do now, before we summarize this video, is you see all this like empty SME data, Airtime, VTU, all these things are blank, blank, blank. It looks as it's not a product, isn't it? Because in this one you can see the images, isn't it? So how do we go about adding those images? It's very simple. All we have to do is to go to services, because this thing you see here are core services. MTN SME, Airtel VTU, you get it. They are all core services. So all you have to do is to click on services, then click on home. Under services, click on home. So once you're on home here, you can see here that we have MTN SME data balance, isn't it? And it's active. So what we have to do is click on these settings. Can you see it? It's accessories. You can rewind this video, please. So I'm gonna do one. So click on this and then click on that. It will open up a page for you. Then on this page, you don't need to do anything. Just click on image here. Then click on select the image. So I'm going to search the image which I have already on my system. So here you can see what we are working on is SME data. So I'm going to look for SME data. So you can see it here. I just click on it, open it, and then click this download sign. Do you see it now? This download sign, just click on it. The reason for clicking on it is now to upload the image. Then you click OK once you are done with that. Then when you go back to your front end, you will see that the system will now add this image, which you can see it here. Then the next one here is, because I don't want to make this video to be lengthy, I'm going to do that of MTN VTU. So I'm going to do that of MTN VTU. I don't want it to be very lengthy, but there is a faster way of doing it. The faster way of doing this process is you just right click, upload, as in open the image in another tab, open it 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 in another tab. Okay, so I just did few, because you may have a client that may need a VT website and then you are working on a time frame. So this is 9 mobile, please, 9 mobile data. So I'll just do the same that I did on MTN. Okay, so 9 mobile data, you can see it here. So the images are already pre-done. The graphics, the size, everything is there. So, but you must, 9 mobile VTU. That's the one. So 9 mobile VTU. So you can see it here. 9 mobile VTU. You can use the one that is circular so that everything will be uniform. So the next one is Airtel data. Airtel data. I'll look for Airtel data. Airtel data. The next one is Airtel VTU. People are always shy of learning. And that's why most people are broke. Airtel VTU. If you know this technicality, you can charge somebody any amount to build a VTU website and be making money. But here you are going from one YouTube to another, watching one funny video. They will tell you that they will make this, and if you go and try it, it's not working. Why not build a business that works for you? This business is a business that works globally in Nigeria, not please, because I don't know whether foreign people are doing this telecom business. But then they are recharging and they are doing it. But it depends on the pattern they are doing it. So please, now you can see if I load this now, you see the all the ones I did will automatically be reflecting. Can you see it? Now, I don't want to make this video to be lengthy. All you have to do, once you have finished the ones you have added up, you close the tab. So I don't want to spend more time on this video, but you can see the length we have done for today. Now, if this thing that I'm saying or teaching you is really entering your head, or maybe you are learning, then remember any student that will go far with, first of all, pay the sacrifice. What are the sacrifices you pay? The ability to learn this tutorial. The second sacrifice is that you have to pay your tutor. You don't just learn without paying your lecturer. Your lecturer will not teach you well. So how do I mean by this? The database you see here is our SME database. Do you get it? Our SME database bulk order. That's the database you are seeing, because each services is linked to a database, to a to an API terminal. So the database you are seeing here is our bulk order. If you go here, you see bulk order. Bulk order. That's the database you are seeing here. So this database here, because we have developed, make everything to be easy for you as someone that want to go in for the telecom business. So once you get this database, you'll be upgraded to MSD Pack 1. You get it? So how much is this database? The database you see here, which you can see all these services, normally is supposed to be 25,000 to get the database. But right now, if you are interested, click the link in the description of this video. You'll be directed here to get this database. The complete database is 15,000. As in this database we are seeing here, you pay 15,000 to get it and use it for your own personal or client website. That's pay and download premium airtime and complete SME corporate gifting database bundle. Develop VTU website in a minute. Install on unlimited domain. So if you are interested, I don't want to do more marketing because I'm even tired. If you look at me in the channel, I'm more or less of doing technical tutorials. Because if we are shouting much, people think that this guy no get handwork. I get handwork. My handwork is to do coding. People contact me far and near to build apps. So if you are really interested to follow my tutorials, the first one, you have buy the software, which is this fine and good. You have buy the VTUPortal creator. You have installed it even in your cPanel. Fine and good. The next one is to buy the database that will enable you to have something like this. Please, that's just the simple truth. If you don't want to pay, please don't watch my tutorial on this angle. Watch our presentations if you are talking about how to make money online. But if you want to really do more on telecom, these things that I'm showing you is something I pay 550,000 to learn when I'm still learning my own. Now I'm offering you at a very nonsense price. Then you don't want to pay. Please don't DM me and start talking rubbish, please. I hate it to the core. So all you have to do is to pull out your ATM card and make a payment of 15,000. Then you'll be given this database. This database, you can use it the same process I did now. You can do it on your own cPanel. And then that's it. But remember, the condition is, first of all, you get the portal, the script. That's the first condition. Then before you now pay for this. So once you are pay for it, you'll be given this database. And then that give also the discount for our work with me Shedrach. That's monthly bootcamp. The monthly bootcamp here is that instead of giving you this database, you learn how to program it from scratch, not only to be on bulk order API system, but you can also use another API terminal to build it. So that is what is the difference between the training. So if you are still interested in the training, the discount still remain 50% off from the original price, which is you can see the module. Also watch the videos that we have released so far. You see it will keep advertising the bootcamp. And as a matter of fact, there is a link in the description of this video. Please join the WhatsApp VTU camp code because new thing is about to happen next month. We want to launch a new training on telecommunication system. So please join the WhatsApp group and be on the group because we'll be updating you on the project. So pick up a package here and then get started. I believe this video have helped you to understand. In the next video, we'll be taking care of this. Remember, our mandate is to arrive here. So, but if you look here, everything looks started now because it doesn't look like this. I was trained in India, please, as a developer. So you should know that when an Indian coach is training you or Indians, if you have been to India, you see that they are very mean on tech. They will tell you that we are going to do this and they will not start doing it. So my goal is to achieve it like this. So in the next video, we're going to be taking care of the landing page. So subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification icon so that when the next series comes out, you will be notified right away. So get the script, get the database, keep coding because if you get the script, I will be giving you the hosting company that the script supports, and probably you can buy from either the local or international foreign hosting company. Get started. In the last conclusion of the video, I'm going to show you how you can make millions for being a VTU service provider like me, Shedrach. Of course, he's also on our training. Remember my quote here. It says, get a mentor who teaches you every step of how to do things from scratch and make a million, but hire someone to build for you something and depend on that person to make money. Mr. Shedrach, I was the one that makes this quote. So please subscribe to the channel, get started. This video won't make any sense if you don't take action. So take action. First of all, buy the script, get the database, follow my tutorial, and build something on your own. That is just the simple truth. So if you have learned a lot from this, please comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you in the next episode.